Not every trailblazer gets a front-page headline. Many remain in history's footnotes. But that does not diminish their contribution to our democracy, nor should it prevent their inclusion in our classrooms. iCivics' Untold Stories videos are a great way to incorporate some of these lesser-known civil rights changemakers into your lesson plans. Untold Stories are short, animated videos examining the actions and accomplishments of historical figures who probably haven't made it into your textbooks. Stories such as Ethel Payne, breaking barriers in the White House press corps, Patsy Mink, and the battle to end gender discrimination, Rachel Carson's work to protect the environment, the Shelleys' fight for fair housing, and many, many more. Learning about the same stories and figures time after time can get dull. Students are more engaged when they're learning through something unexpected, and that's what they get through these short, impactful videos. They also allow educators to introduce more diverse stories into the classroom. This type of inclusion can inspire passionate discussions about government, about laws, and about the power that everyday people have to create change in our constitutional democracy. This type of engagement is critical to exploring the idea of we the people. In a pluralistic society, it is essential we prepare young people to be contributing members of diverse communities. One way to achieve this is by highlighting a diversity of civic and historical figures and celebrating differences. This allows students to see themselves and others represented, which makes them far more likely to engage with the material. Another way to better engage students is by connecting the material to their lived experiences. This bridges gaps, builds positive relationships between students and teachers, pushes both students and teachers to overcome bias, and establishes how acknowledging differences and similarities makes us collectively stronger.
Barbara Johns, I love that video because of the simple fact of I learned about another African-American young lady, who stood up for what she thought was right.
Untold Stories powerfully conceptualize the change makers of a particular era. The accompanying teacher's guides allows educators to showcase these individuals and spark discussions that go beyond textbooks. Use Untold Stories to open a lesson, then make use of the teacher's guide for further teaching suggestions. These include background information, discussion questions, timeline activities, and learning objectives. With this support, you'll soon discover how these short videos can develop into a full class period of deeper learning.
A 2-minute video sparked a whole class discussion, and we could have kept going with the discussion if we wanted to.